Hello, soil lovers and urban farmers. Welcome back to Soil Books, your ultimate destination for all things soil, farming, and sustainability. Today, we're diving into a game-changing technique that can supercharge your urban farm or garden: mulching. Whether you have a backyard garden, rooftop farm, or even a few potted plants, mulching is a simple yet powerful way to improve soil health, conserve water, and boost plant growth. But before we jump in, let me ask you a quick question. Have you ever used mulch in your garden? If yes, what type? And if not, what's stopping you? Drop your answers in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Now, let's get started with the top 3 mulching techniques every urban farmer should try. Technique #1: Organic mulching, nature's best blanket. Our first and most popular method is organic mulching, a technique that mimics nature. Ever noticed how leaves and twigs naturally cover the forest floor? That's mulching in action. What is it? Organic mulch includes materials like straw, leaves, grass clippings, wood chips, and compost. Why is it amazing? Retains moisture, reduces the need for frequent watering, adds nutrients. As organic mulch breaks down, it enriches the soil with essential nutrients, regulates temperature, keeps soil cool in summer and warm in winter, prevents weeds, blocks sunlight, stopping weeds from growing. How to use: spread a 2-4-inch layer around your plants. Keep mulch a few inches away from the plant stem to avoid rot. Water lightly to help it settle into place. This is the easiest and most beginner-friendly mulching method. If you're an urban farmer, you probably already have some of these materials lying around. Technique #2: Plastic mulching, a modern trick for faster growth. Now, let's talk about a modern, high-efficiency technique used by commercial farmers and urban growers: plastic mulching. What is it? A thin sheet of biodegradable or polyethylene plastic spread over the soil to control temperature, weeds, and moisture. Why do farmers love it? Speeds up plant growth. Black plastic absorbs heat, warming the soil for faster germination. Reduces water loss, prevents evaporation, keeping soil moist. Zero weeds. Blocks sunlight, stopping weed growth completely. Best for tomatoes, peppers, strawberries, and other heat-loving plants. How to use: lay a plastic sheet over your soil before planting. Cut small holes to insert your plants. Secure the edges with soil or small rocks. Plastic mulching is widely used in commercial farming, but urban farmers can try biodegradable plastic mulch, which breaks down naturally over time. Quick question: would you try plastic mulching in your garden, or do you prefer organic mulch? Let me know in the comments. Technique #3: Living mulch, the most eco-friendly mulching method. And now, for the most eco-friendly and self-sustaining mulching technique: living mulch. What is it? Instead of adding mulch on top of the soil, you grow a living mulch layer using cover crops like clover, alfalfa, or mustard plants. Why is it amazing? Prevents soil erosion, protects topsoil from wind and water erosion, fixes nitrogen. Certain plants like clover add nitrogen to the soil naturally, attracts pollinators. Bees and butterflies love flowering cover crops, suppresses weeds, outcompetes weeds, reducing maintenance. How to use: plant low-growing cover crops between vegetable rows or around fruit trees. Let them grow and occasionally trim them for better control. At the end of the season, till them into the soil as green manure. Living mulch is perfect for permaculture and regenerative farming, making your urban farm 100% sustainable. Final thoughts and call to action. There you have it, the top 3 mulching techniques every urban farmer should try. Organic mulching, the simplest and most natural way to improve soil. Plastic mulching, a modern method for boosting plant growth. Living mulch, the most sustainable mulching technique. Now, it's your turn. Which mulching technique are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video to support our channel, subscribe to Soil Books, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Share this with your fellow urban farmers. Let's build a greener, healthier planet together. Until next time, stay curious, keep growing, and remember, healthy soil means a healthy life. See you soon.